Girl, just eat it. This is like saliva.
Inside that.
Go delay? The medium wrap.
No, I mean this.
Oh.
Thing for you.
It's 2 by 18 by 2.
Okay.
Come on, girl. Just let go of it. It'll be all better. Please? Let go of it. Let go. It'll be so much easier for your windpipe to breathe.